The ice cream dessert at a restaurant comes in 4 flavors: chocolate, peanut butter, lemon, and cookie dough. There were 13 ice cream desserts ordered on Friday. Here they are by flavor. Okay. So now they're kind of listing all this out here. So we want to represent this in terms of the count of each of these. So let's try and do this one by one. So first of all, let's count the number. Let's look at lemons. I see lemon first. Let's just count the number of lemons we see in this list. We got 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3 lemons, and 4 lemons. So what does that mean? That means I'm going to graph lemon 4 times. Okay. Now remember, all of these values down here need to add up to 13 because we got 13 desserts ordered in total. That's going to be our way of checking our answers. Now let's look next. I see peanut butter next. Let's count the peanut butters. We got 1, 2. I only see 2 peanut butters, so we're going to get 2 values here. Now what about cookie dough? We got 1 cookie dough, 2 cookie doughs, 3 cookie doughs, 4 cookie doughs. Now I could go right ahead and say, well, I know there's 13 total. This adds up to 10. Therefore, there's got to be 3 chocolates. Don't do that. Be careful and count them out, because then that's your way of verifying, did you make a mistake with some of these other counts? So let's look at chocolate. I see 1 chocolate. No, sorry, 1 chocolate, 2 chocolates, 3 chocolates. That's what we predicted. That's what we wanted to see. I feel pretty confident that this is correct. All right, same idea. The drink, so we have 4 types of drinks: orange juice, root beer, apple cider, and iced tea. We got 16 students. Here are the results. Let's go for it. First, let's count root beer. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 root beers. Let's look at next is orange juice. We've got 1 orange juice, 2 orange juices, 3 orange juices, 4 orange juices, and 5 orange juices. So a really careful way to do this would be to write all these down and cross them out as we kind of go through to make sure we don't make any mistakes. But since it would take such a long time to copy this, I'm trying to do my best to do it just from looking at it. You could copy and paste this or something, but I wouldn't want to rewrite all of this. That'd take a long time. Now let's look at apple cider. I see 1 apple cider, 2 apple ciders, 3 apple ciders, and now iced tea. We got 1 iced tea, 2 iced teas. So what do these need to add up to? 16, right? We had 16 students. So 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 2 is 16.